And what schema binding does is it tells SQL Server you can't change the schema because a view depends upon it. So let me give you a quick demonstration of schema binding. We'll jump over to TempDB. I'm going to create a quick table called test with one column. And I'll create a view called vTest, very simple view, but the key word here is with schema binding. So execute to create the view. Now when we attempt to alter the table, the schema binding will thwart our efforts. So schema binding prevented us from changing the schema if there was a view referencing that table. But when you do need to change the schema, and then the schema and the views are out of sync, you have a couple of options. The first is to recreate the view, either dropping it, recreating, or altering the view. The second option, which is probably easier, is to use the SP refresh stored procedure, which goes ahead and just refreshes the metadata for the view. So I'll switch back to CHA2 database, execute refresh, and that's what we would have to do if we had to refresh that view.